Running a business is hard, but managing invoices on paper makes it even harder. Paper invoices get lost, mistakes cost you money, and tracking payments a nightmare. And now Malaysia requires e-invoicing. If you don't comply, you could face fines up to 20,000 ringgit. Here's the solution: Invoix.Biz, a cloud-based e-invoice ready platform built for Malaysian SME. Create invoices in seconds, send them instantly, track payments in real time. With Invoix.Biz, all your invoices are safe and accessible anytime, anywhere.
Why choose Invoix.Biz?
Fast and efficient, no more paperwork, just smooth invoicing. Error-free, say goodbye to miscalculations. 100% e-invoice ready. Stay compliant with LHDN tax laws. Cloud-based and secure. Access invoices anytime, anywhere. Affordable, budget-friendly plans for SMEs. Why struggle with outdated invoicing when Invoix.Biz makes it effortless? Invoix.Biz is more than just invoices. It's a complete business tool. Invoice creation. Send professional invoices in a few clicks. Payment tracking. See when payments are made. Quotations. Send quotes before finalizing sales. Inventory management. Track stock in real time. Product and services. Organize everything you sell. Multi-language support. English, Malay, and Mandarin. With Invoix.Biz, managing your business is simple, smart, and stress-free. Thousands of Malaysian SMEs are switching to smarter invoicing. Are you next? Go digital, stay compliant, and take control of your business today. Visit www.invoix.biz and sign up now.